கேமராமேனுக்கு கேமராமேன் தான் பார்த்துக்கணும். இங்கே ஒரு வெப் கேமரா லைவ் வச்சுருக்கேன், அது கொஞ்சம் பார்த்துங்க. ஓகே, ரைட்.
Please take your seats. CITNs and families, please take your seats.
அந்த மைக்கு சார் இங்கே இல்லை, அங்கே போயிட்டு சார் ஆன் பண்ணுமா? இல்லை நீங்கள் எதுவும் பண்ணாது.
Can we start? Please take your seats. Welcome all. Welcome all to the first family meet of SITA-CC. It's a big honor to have all the families with us here. So once again, on behalf of SITA-CC, my hearty welcome to all the CITNs and their families. We all studied from Coimbatore Institute of Technology. We did engineering from CIT, a great institution, top-ranked institution in Tamil Nadu, India, as worldwide. Please give a big hand. We take pride in saying that we are CITNs wherever we go. Until a few years back, couple of years back, we never knew even the CITNs residing in Chennai. We were clueless. But now everything has changed. SITA-CC has brought all CIT alumni under one roof, one umbrella. And today we are part of a big, strong SITA-CC family. Please give a big hand. Yeah, can we have the Tamil Thai Valthu by Padma Suresh and T.N. Krishnamurthy, please.
நீராடும் கடலொடுத்த நிலமடந்த கெழிலொழுகும் சீராரும் வதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டமிழில் தெக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு திரை முதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் வணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறமையிருந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Thanks a lot, Padma and T.N. Krishnamurthy sir. Now I request President of SITA-CC to give his welcome address. Please.
Good evening. I welcome all our CITN families and their children for this first family meet. It gives immense pleasure for arranging meet like this this fall, this is our third meet we are conducting to bring this level to have a family meet. There are a lot of people who have worked in our CIT Alumni Association, especially Vairo Sundaram, Saravana Raja, and Marg Bandhu, and in fact our Edmore Bhuvadi, he is the right person, and Kalirur Rahman, and etc. So many people has worked, Sudarshan. So everybody has worked for the growth of CIT Alumni Association Chennai chapter, and our chapter is a vibrant chapter. We are conducting a regular program, I mean regular newsletter also. We will be receiving every monthly without any break. So without having any time out, I am closing my speech. I once again welcome you all for this program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, for all the families, I'd like to give a brief introduction about SITA CC. You must be wondering what SITA CC is, because it must be a very frequent name. So, the short form of CIT Alumni Association Chennai chapter is SITA CC. It was started last year, just 1.5 years back, with about 20 members. And today we are about 750 plus members. Please give a big hand. So tremendous growth by SITA CC. And this gives, SITA CC gives us an opportunity to interact with seniors and juniors irrespective of batches. First we were tied up only with our batch meets, batch meetings and batch reunions. Now this is a healthy mixed group. And we have engineers who studied in 1960s, 1970s, 1980s, 1990s, and of course the 2K kids with us. So it's a very healthy mix, and we have all the chemical, EEE, ECE, civil, mechanical and computer science all put together. And there are many subgroups in SITA CC. So we have the music group, and mindful and fitness group. So the music group has a good music team with orchestra, and we have this business enablement group. So in case the CITians or their families are interested to expand business or get into entrepreneurship, or they want to have a startup company, they can approach the business enablement group. And we have the ladies wing. So first time in the history of CIT, we have formed a powerful ladies wing. In fact, recently we celebrated the Women's Day celebration in a nice grand manner. And of course the chat group is there with lots of memes and gifs and non-stop chatting the whole day. So it's a very healthy group. A lot of groups are there. And SITA CC, we have arranged a lot of events and activities last year during the past 1.5 years. The first thing I would like to highlight is SITA CC journal. So this journal is being released and circulated every month, and around 10th it comes out, and the articles are being contributed by CITians, their spouses and family members. So it has a wide readership worldwide. SITA CC e-journal is read by more than 10,000 or 20,000 people worldwide. So it has wide reach, and you want to advertise, you could always advertise in SITA CC journal. And then we had organized for industrial visits. There were 3 industrial visits last year, and one main visit was to Sriharikota Space Center last year. And I must mention about Prasad Color Lab, free movies at Prasad Color Lab for CITians and for their families once in 3 months. And they also serve delicious snacks, sweets and savories, and families are very happy about the movies at Prasad Color Lab. And crackers and sweets were distributed last year during Diwali time at subsidized rate from Sivgasi, and it was delivered at each house, and families were very happy about it. And there is also a matrimonial assistance cell. SITA CC has a matrimonial assistance cell, so if you are searching for a bride or groom, you could always take their help to find a suitable bride or groom. And last year we had this online Kolu contest, first time I think in colleges it happened, to the big hit. And one more thing I must highlight is about the technical seminars. So last year there was a seminar on, every month technical seminars happen for the benefit of CITians and families. And there was a good technical seminar on artificial intelligence. So current issues and current topics are covered. So mainly on health, finance, investment planning, retirement plans, personal banking, etc. So this is a big hit on health. Also recently we had one on ortho and and many more on health programs. So these are the major activities which were conducted by SITA CC last year. So today we are here, the first cultural meeting event with families. Please give a big hand. So you're part of the first cultural event of SITA CC. I'm sure it will be etched in our memories. And all I would like to say is many more events and get-togethers to come. And so mind-blowing performance by SITA CC, path-taking efforts and phenomenal growth. So that's what I would like to say and highlight. So now I think you are familiar with SITA CC activities, the role and responsibilities. Now we move on to the main program, friends. Atmalaya, that's the first cultural event of SITA CC. And we are very happy to have Atmalaya Chairman and Founder Mrs. Bala Bharat and the team of Bharatnatyam dancers. So hearty welcome to all. And I think their uniqueness is that they combine Bharatnatyam with meditation. That's what I understood. So that is their uniqueness. And I would like to give a small introduction about Atmalaya. Atmalaya is a unique culmination of Bharatnatyam and simple processes of meditation. Dance Hour with Atmalaya is a weekly 1-hour getaway session for women to learn and dance for the simple pleasure of dancing. The dance form is Bharatnatyam and the steps are so simple and easy to practice. The positive expressions through dance help women feel the positive emotions. Every session ends with a process of meditation, believing that it's never too late to start dancing. Dance Hour helps women to fulfill their childhood desire to learn dance. So women in all age groups from 20 to 80 are part of these sessions as they help to unwind and break away from the normal routine, get rejuvenated and go back to their lives after experiencing a positive distraction. Very interesting. So basically they spread positivity, and I remember when I visited the founder chairman's residence, she was telling me, Anita, you must come and see how an 80-year-old grandmother is dancing in our dance school. So that's the spirit. Basically it's about unwinding and relaxation. Please give them a big hand. And now I welcome Ms. Bala Bharat to come over to the stage. We'll do the honors. I request the CIT ladies, Kavya, Padma, to come to stage. we'd like to hear a few words from Mrs. Mala Bharat.
Good evening, all of you. We from Atmalaya are very happy to be a part of the first cultural event held by Sita Sisi. So on behalf of Atmalaya, I welcome the CITNs and the families to our cultural presentation. As Mrs. Anita just mentioned, we are a group of women who are passionate about dancing, come from different backgrounds, and the love for dance binds us. So we are here to present a few compositions of different types so that you can enjoy dance and music. Whenever it comes to any reunion from any of these engineering colleges, I'm sure nostalgia plays a very great role. And I'm sure cultural events, dance, music forms a very great part of this nostalgic going down memory. I really hope that we will help you relax and you will enjoy our performance and carry this forward with you in your memory. Wishing CITNs and their families all the very best. Over to the program. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. That was a good description. Now, audience, please sit back and relax to watch the Atmalaya program. Thank you.
ஒரு நிமிஷம் ரைட்ல ரைட்ல